Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. So in today's video I want to show you guys how I created this purple and green cut crease. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So the first palette I'm going in with is the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm dipping into this dark purple shade. I've already primed my eyelids with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and set that with my Yardley translucent powder. So I'm going in with my tapered blending brush and I'm adding this color just slightly above my natural crease. Next I'm going into this medium purple shade and we're just going to be placing that above the dark purple that we just placed down. Next I'm dipping into this light purple and we're just placing that again on top of the color that we've just placed down. Next I'm dipping into this black shade and we are just going to place that into the crease. Now I'm going to dip back into this yellow shade with a big blending brush and I'm just going to blend out everything. So next I'm just going to clean up my crease line with my Garnier Micelar cleansing water. Next I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to be using this to cut my crease. So I'm just going to take my little sponge and just blend that all out. Now I'm dipping back into this palette and I'm just going to set that with this white eyeshadow. Now just to bring some definition back to that line, I'm just going in with an angle brush and some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to carve out that line. Now I'm dipping into this green and with a flat eyeshadow brush I'm just going to be placing that on the outer corner in a V shape. And I'm only adding this color on the outer third. Next green I'm dipping into is this kind of like an aqua type of green. We're going to be placing that next to the dark green and just blending that in, but again not all over the eyelid because I'm going from a dark green all the way to a light green in the inner corner. Okay, now as you guys can see, it's obviously making a line, so we need to make sure that we blend that in. So I'm going to keep on going in with the light green, again with the dark green, and just kind of softly blend it out until it feels like it's just melting into each other. Next color I'm dipping into is this light green shade, and we're just going to be placing that next to the color that we've just placed down. Guys, and again just to blend in the light green with the middle green, I'm just kind of going back and forth between the two and then blending on that line until everything is seamless. So next I'm going in with my Palladio gel liner, and I'm just going to be creating a wing. Okay, so I quickly want to go and put on some false lashes and just finish off the rest of my face off camera, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back and we can finish off the rest of this eye look. So first shade, I'm dipping back into that dark green, and the same as what we did on the top eyelid, we are doing exactly the same on the bottom eyelid. So I'm adding the dark green on the bottom lash line in the outside V part. Then I'm dipping into that aqua color and replacing that in the middle waterline, making sure to blend the two colors together. Next shade is that light green, and we're putting that all the way to the inner corner. Again, blending it into that aqua color. Next I'm going to dip into that light purple with a bigger blending brush, and I'm just going to sweep that all under the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this MAC lip liner, and it's in the color Galaxy Grey, and I'm going to place that in the waterline. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm using the MAC highlighter in Beaming Blush. Last but not least, we just need to coat the bottom lashes. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. Bye.